Hey guys, what's up? I'm Himanshu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Cyber Solution, and in this video we are going to solve a very basic problem of Python, how to print date and time and using Python. So we will solve in upcoming videos, we will solve very basic problem of Python, because to create our basics more clear, we need to solve the problems every day, whether the problems are great or just a small problem. So let's get started. Today question is how to write a Python program to display the current date and time, and sample output will be like the way current date and time is this. So let's do this in our Python ID, which is PyCharm. First thing, I have already done it, but I will tell you what you need to do before going to solve this problem. You need to install the module datetime. Pip install date time and hit enter. I've already installed it, so it will tell requirements already satisfied. As you can see, it's showing its requirements already satisfied because I have already installed it. So let's get started. First we need to type import. We need to import the module date time, and after that we need to type now equals to datetime dot datetime dot now parenthesis, hit enter, and now you need to type print. Now we are going to print the time, the current, let's just type current date and time is space colon, and after that put parenthesis, and just hit enter. After that we need to type print the in which format we want to display the output or the time. That will be now.strftime slash, and after that you need to put the format. Suppose I want to first print the date, percent date, after that time, and after that seconds. Sorry, after first date, after that month, and after that year, and the time format will be first hour, then minute, and then second, and just hit enter. Let's just save it and open it using date and time. But as you can see, it's opening and just closing. For that we need to import one more module, import time, and after that we need to add one more statement, time dot sleep, and we need to type, suppose I want to say it for 10 seconds, and hit enter. After that just open the program. First we will run it in, if it works, and if we will open it, as you can see current date and time is this is it. But as you can see, it's not looking very good in format. We need to put dashes over it, or just simply put a simple dash simple dash and dash. If now we will save it, let's move on, just see. As you can see, now it's looking like date and time. Current date and time is this. And hope you guys like this video. Please like this, share it, and in upcoming videos we are going to solve more problems in Python. Thanks for watching Cyber Solution.